Is it realistic to make $100,000 in 1 month with only $100 capital? What are some potential business or investment options with low initial investment that could generate profit within a short time frame? What are the risks and considerations associated with speculative investment strategies, such as stock trading, freelancing, online investing, or short-term trading? Continue watching this video until the end and we will straightly answer these very interesting questions. But before doing that, I'd like to ask you to like this video, hit the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell so you can get fresh updates on our incoming episodes. My name is AMP and I am your host for today's episode.
From the headquarters of AMP Studio, broadcasting from within the pods and mobile stations, it's the AMP's Money Works videocast, where we help people gain a work-life balance, build wealth for security, do work that they love, and create actual amazing relationship with people around them. Drop us your message today and talk about your work, money, life, or whatever that you want to talk about. We are inviting you also to join and subscribe below to get amazing information firsthand that you can apply to your daily decisions.
In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking ways to make money with a low initial investment. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a freelancer, or interested in online investing or trading, there are various strategies that can potentially help you generate income with a small capital of $100 or less. In this video, we will explore different options including entrepreneurship, stock trading, freelancing, online investing, and short-term trading. These strategies can offer opportunities for generating income, but it's important to note that they also come with inherent risks. Thorough research, careful planning, and understanding the risks involved are crucial before embarking on any investment or business venture. It's essential to assess your risk tolerance, seek professional advice, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With the right approach and mindset, starting small and utilizing available resources can be a stepping stone towards financial success. If you are determined to try, here are some suggestions. Entrepreneurship. Start a business with low initial investment. Identify a profitable niche or product and use your $100 capital to launch a small-scale business. Utilize social media, online marketplaces, and your network to promote your product or service and generate sales. Stock trading. Engage in stock trading or options trading. Research and select stocks or options with potentials for high returns. However, note that stock trading involves risk and requires knowledge and experience to make informed decisions. It is important to educate yourself and carefully consider your risks, your tolerance before investing your capital. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer. Utilize online platforms to offer services such as writing, graphic design, programming, or consulting. Build a portfolio and market for skills to potential clients to generate income. Online investing. Consider online investment platforms that offer low minimum investment options. For example, you could invest in peer-to-peer lending, real estate, crowdfunding, or cryptocurrency. However, be aware that this investment carries and it's important to thoroughly research and understand the investment before committing your capital. Short-term trading. Engage in short-term trading of highly volatile assets, such as cryptocurrencies or forex. This approach can be high risk and you should be aware of the potential for significant losses. thoroughly research and understand the risk before engaging short-term trading. It is important to note that these suggestions are speculative in nature and carry inherent risks. There is no guarantee of making a specific amount of money in a short period of time, and you could also lose your entire investment. It is always recommended to carefully evaluate your financial situation, conduct a thorough research, and seek professional financial advice before making any investment decision. Remember to never invest more than you can afford to lose, and be prepared to accept risks associated with any investment strategy. Thank you for watching our video on how to make money with a low initial investment. We hope you found the information helpful in exploring various strategies including entrepreneurship, stock trading, freelancing, online investing, and short-term trading. Remember, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, carefully plan your investment or business ventures, assess your risk tolerance, and seek professional advice before making any financial decisions. Always remember to never invest more than you can afford to lose, and be prepared to accept the risks associated with any investment strategy. If you want to learn more about personal finance and investment strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more valuable tips and advice. For any other inquiries or questions, feel free to drop your comment below or email us for more information. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.